What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be installing this synthetic unit from Outre called Pascale. It is 16 inches and I got it in the color Pearl Blonde. This blonde is one of my favorite blondes because it's very toned. This is a perfect blonde for black people because it doesn't have no yellow or orange tones. This is like that grayish silver type of blonde, so I really like this color. This unit it's a short unit, but it's like literally perfect for this time of year when it's getting hot, because you don't want nothing too long. So this is definitely the unit for this season. The curls is kind of like a wave pattern curl, which I did like. It reminds me of like a beach curl kind of. Another thing about this unit, I love the lace. The lace is very thin, gives definitely HD vibes. Also, it's easy to pluck as well. The hairline is very thin, but it has a nice density. It's not too low, not too high either. Another thing about this wig that I did appreciate was the part was not too close to the tracks, which made it easier to lay, and it made the part look flatter when I laid it down with my hot comb. Usually on T-parts, the tracks are too close to the part, which makes it look bulky and it makes it look wiggy, but this wig, it wasn't like that. So that's one thing that I did like about this unit. And also, what I liked about this wig, it did not shed at all. After I plucked it, that was the only hair that came out. After that, there was no shedding. It didn't tangle up either. I could comb right through it, brush right through it, and no extra hair would come out. So that's definitely a plus for this unit. But I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the install. If you like this wig and you want to purchase, I will put the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the install.